Alright guys, we're working on a 2001 Honda CRV. I'm hearing a noise on the right side. It sounds like it's on the left. It sounds like it's the left side of the car. Whenever I go over bumps or I turn, and I don't quite know exactly where it's coming from, but it sounds like it's from the left side. Yeah, this is what it sounds like. It's an all-wheel drive CRV automatic. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's clunking, and it makes see that right there? I don't know what the hell that is. And it clunks when you turn too. Let's take this little dip right here. Oh, see, you can hear it already. Sounds like maybe like suspension, like the strut or something, or the shock, or the spring even. Maybe it's loose in there. I shouldn't be driving this. But yeah, there we go again. See, whenever you turn, something's loose. If you guys know what it is, let me know. Thank you.